This 2022 Forest River Arctic Wolf 321BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, skylight, TV antenna, air conditioning, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, oven, slide-out, self-contained, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Arctic Wolf 321BH is 9,288 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.